Chapter 5 Industry. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about primary, secondary and tertiary industry. We will discuss the classification of industry and their different aspects. We will appreciate the mineral resources of the Muslim world, especially Pakistan, and the significance of oil and natural gas and their byproducts in the modern world. An industry refers to an economic activity which is concerned with the production of goods from raw materials, extraction of minerals, reproduction of animals and plants. We can define industry as the work and processes involved in making things in factories, that is, manufacturing process. Industry is usually divided into three levels: primary, secondary, and tertiary level. We will discuss each level in detail. Primary industry or first level of industry is getting the raw materials. These can be from mining, quarrying, oil and gas drilling, agriculture, forestry, and fishing. So basically, primary industry deals with extracting raw materials from natural resources. Secondary industry or second level of industry takes these raw materials and makes them into finished products, ranging from tins to trains, needles to nuclear plants, or shoes to satellites. So basically, all the production took place in secondary industry. Secondary industry takes the raw material from natural resources and convert them into finished products. For example, we take iron ore through mining, and this is basically dealt by primary industry, and we make steel. So steel making is dealt by secondary industry. There are so many other examples, like sugar cane we get through, means it is a natural resource and then we convert it into sugar. So making of sugar is dealt by secondary industry. Same in the same way, cotton we get through natural resource and then we convert them into cotton cloth, and production of cotton cloth is deal by secondary industry. So primary and secondary industry, they work in this manner, means primary industry provide raw material while secondary industry convert these raw materials into finished products. Now comes towards the third level of industry or tertiary level of industry. This is also known as service industry. It does not produce goods for sale but enables the two other levels of industry, means primary and secondary level, to function effectively. It provides services which facilitate a smooth flow of goods and services. Service industries include office work, transport to carry goods and raw materials, and communication such as telephone, postal work, and email, which allow general business to be maintained. There are merchants and traders, whether small shopkeepers or giant businesses with branches in many countries. Beyond these, they are directly connected with industry, like health workers, doctors, nurses, ambulance men, teachers, police to keep society in order, people working in markets and shops, entertainers such as singers, musicians, filmmakers, lawyers, architects, street cleaners, and many others who do not actually make anything but who are important in making our society work smoothly. So service industry is basically about services of people. It also includes tourism because it brings income and also creates new services like hospitality and catering. Student, this is all for the day, and we discuss about industry. We discuss about different levels of industry: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss about different methods of that are used in primary industry like mining, quarrying, and drilling of oil and gas. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.